Now that you have installed Laravel and you are excited to build something amazing, so you go to the documentation and you feel overwhelmed by looking where to start. Okay, so uh, let me get you started with this. Now let's talk about the folder structure of Laravel 5.3. So if we take a look at this, here are a couple of folders. So I will just talk about important ones. So inside app, inside http, this folder is important. Inside these controllers, all your controller will be inside this folder. Here will be middleware. We'll be talking about this. Okay, here are service provider. One important folder is this routes folder. Okay, in previous version of Laravel, routes.php was a file. Okay, now it is a folder. Inside this folder there are three files by default: one api.php, console, and web. You find working most of time inside this web.php. If you are building API, you'll be putting your code inside this. So if we go to web.php, here all of our routes related to web will be stored. Okay, so you can literally build whole site using this route.php. You can put everything inside here, but this is not what Laravel is made for. You can do much more better than that. So let's talk about the default code inside the web. So what this is route facade. Okay, and we are doing a get request, okay, to this home page. If we type this home page, this is just for home page. Okay, home page, for example, if we type lara.app, which is in fact this folder, okay, this project. So if we type that, this view will be generated. This is generated by this return view welcome. So welcome is inside, I think, yeah, here, resources views. So don't worry, we will be talking about this. So now let's start. So if we go to the web.php inside our routes folder, so let's remove this and replace this with return. This is home page. Okay, so we were seeing this if we go to the home page. Now if I refresh this, we'll see this is home page. Okay, so if I control Z couple of times, this was by default. Okay, this is returning the view called welcome.blade.php, and if I change that to anything else, like we can put here hi Laravel. Okay, yeah, you'll see that. So if we let's say put here your location. Okay, hi, my location is USA. So if we go to this, if we refresh that, we'll get error because nothing is going to that route. So if we go to your location, you'll see that hi, my location is USA. So this is defining by that, okay, your location. So we can make as many route as we want. I copy and paste that. I'm copying and paste this route, okay. So if we go to block, this is block. So this is your location, block. So now I think you get the idea. So important part here is we define that by route double colon get, and where we want to go slash is home page, new page. So this will be the URL and function. So what we want to do if we hit this route, this URL, so we want to return hey new page. So we'll be returning something cool in later videos. Just for now, and this is the simple route, okay, very simple route. So we are doing get request, performing get request on this URL, and we will get this string. Let's test that out. New page, hey new page, okay. Similarly we can do route post, okay, for forms, route post, route put, okay, put patch delete. So we'll be talking about that, okay, in later videos. So for now this is just simple route. So if you want to pass something, some parameter, so sun okay, name of sun. So what is the name of sun? So some name variable, okay. So we'll pass that variable here, name, and we'll do is so name of sun is, we concatenate that with name. So if we go to name of sun, Tom. So name of sun is Tom. So let me put some space here. So whatever you pass here will be reflected here. So Tom, Harry. So name of son is Harry, okay. So this is how we pass variable. You can pass any number of variables. Name, loves. So similarly we have to pass another parameter. So you can call it whatever you want. You don't need to call this thing, okay. You can call whatever you want. So name of son is this name. He loves. Loves. So this, if we go to this route, we'll get error because we are not passing this variable. We are defining here but not passing that here. So loves potato. So name of son is Harry. He loves potato. Okay. You can type whatever you want here. Mango. Okay. So we'll make use of these things later. So for just now, just keep in mind we can do like this. Okay. So this is all about route. There are more things to cover, but for now just understand this thing. Okay.